God.
Flash flood watch in effect from 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening through Wednesday morning. A flash flood watch for portions of southeast Ohio and West Virginia, including the following areas in southeast Ohio: Athens, Meigs, and Washington. In West Virginia, Braxton, Calhoun, Clay, Doddridge, Gilmer, Harrison, Jackson, Lewis, Mason, Clement, Putnam, Ritchie, Wells, Tyler, Wood, and Wood. From 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening through Wednesday morning. A cold front capable of producing rainfall amounts between 1 and 1.5 inches. The ground is already saturated from recent rain, and additional heavy rainfall is likely to cause excess runoff and localized flooding. You should monitor later forecasts and
I get it. I seen it. Ow. Crap. Yes.
situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Birmingham, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Bessemer, Homewood, Pelham, Mountain Brook, Trussville, Helena, Hueytown, Irondale, Leeds, Moody, Fairfield, Chelsea, Pleasant Grove, Tarrant, Midfield, Brighton, and Indian Springs Village. This includes the following streams and drainages: Fiscal Creek, Neighbors Branch, Dry Creek, Little Shades Creek, Dolly Brook, South Prong Cox Creek, Little Cahaba Creek, Cold Branch, Shoal Creek, Village Creek, Sticking Creek, The Creek, Shepherd Branch, Shade Creek, Dry Brook, Bob George Branch, Prairie Brook, Clear Branch, Cold Branch, Camp Branch, Hogton Branch, Rock Creek, Black Creek, Halls Creek, Peeping Creek, Cahaba River, Opossum Creek, Griffin Brook, Yellowleaf Creek, Hitchka Creek, Abeg Creek, Little Creek. Chilton County, Eastern Perry County, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a
Shut
severe
up.
thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northwest of Vernal, or 15 miles southeast of Brent, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clanton, Thorsby, Maplesville, Chilton County Motor Sports Park, Gap of the Mountain, Coles Crossroads, Lomax, Okochee, Stanton, Isabella, I-65 Rest Area, and Cooper. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Chilton, Alabama. A tornado warning remains
I
until
have to wait for it.
Southeastern
Tip number 2.
Jefferson County, northwestern Shelby County, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Can I never get back with me? I
Between 3
don't
and
know.
5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for Birmingham metro area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
Oh crap. I just got the 2R and it's already now a frickin' observed. And Perry's out of it already. Oh, come on. Oh well though, I already got that part that they were putting through there. So, yeah. Ugh. We're still only on the flash flood watch, by the way.
Highs in the mid-60s. Light and variable winds. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of